How to connect the Realme GT Neo 2 smartphone with a Windows 10 laptop or Windows 10 computer desktop. So first, make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, as well as your laptop or desktop is connected to the Wi-Fi. Next up, on the computer, you'll go to the startup menu, then settings, and once you're in the main settings, you'll want to go to where it says system right there. As you click on that, you'll notice the left side menu here, and you want to go to where it says projecting to this PC, that right there. You'll see these three drop down menus, and you'll also notice the blue text. If it says something about installing a wireless display adapter, go ahead and click on that and look for the wireless display adapter and install it, let it run, and then come back to this area. Once you're done and you're back to this area, you'll go ahead and select it to all these three options that I have it set as available everywhere, every time a connection is requested, and set the pin to never. This will make connecting so much easier. Then go back to where it says display, and then you want to go down to where it says connect to a wireless display. And click on that one time. And once you click on that once, you'll notice the right side, there's a panel that will pop up, and you'll notice the dots going across, searching for nearby devices to connect to. From here on, you'll go back onto your Realme GT phone here and look for the screencast feature. And if it's your first time, you'll long press it and you'll be taken to the main screencast menu. Turn it on, and you may be prompted to hit the agree and continue, as well as turn on your location settings. All right. So if not, you'll have to go into the main settings and turn it on, or simply you can use the quick panel access and turn on your location if that doesn't work out for you, as you can see. So use the quick panel access here, turn on location, and then come back to this section here, and it'll start searching, and then you'll see the name of your desktop appear right here where it says available devices. And when you tap on it, if you pay attention on your screen, hopefully it picks up by then, you'll see this little prompt appear to the bottom area. You got the four options here, and you want to go with the first one, always allow, then press OK, and then this will happen. It'll show you Realme GT Neo 2 is about to connect to your desktop, and voila, there you go. You're all set and connected. You are now projecting or wireless sharing your Realme GT Neo 2 phone with your Windows 10 computer or desktop. Okay, and of course you could also switch over to the auto rotate with the quick panel access to have your phone go into the landscape mode like this here if that's not enabled. Okay, so that's that. Like, share, sub, and thanks for watching. You can always try to launch the that Launch Connect app to start from there and then screencast. So like, share, sub, and see ya.